What is up, fellow trail riders? Finally out here again. I'm off the studs. First time on the rubber this year. Conditions are primo. Got a little bit of moisture in the ground. Dirt is awesome. New suspension linkage. It feels super buttery. Got the Tusk rear disc guard on there, so that's all safe and happy again. Woo! Feeling good. Let's have some fun. Oh man, it's feeling crisp. Right off the bottom end. Super crisp. Let's go find some trails. Gotta watch out for the young bucks. Gotta remind myself to take it a little bit easy. I don't want to end up in a big wreck here. Oh man, so much bottom. Just wants to snap right out of my friggin' hands. Oh man, I'm already getting stiff. That's what happens when you don't ride for a little bit. I mean, a month isn't that long, but oh, those muscles just don't remember what it feels like. There's my left turn I was looking for. Holy friggin' loggy. Like, hey, that's a big pile of shit. Look at that pile of shit. Wow, what happened there? Is that horse shit? That might be horse shit. I gotta study my shits a little bit more, I guess. There's some wild horses out here. Quite a few, actually. Whoa! Hard left. That's right. This is a gnarred up trail. Holy crap. This would have been better in the winter. All this shit would have been filled in with snow and ice. That would have been great. Just listen to that kitten purr. Yep. Happy. Okay, let's get back to the truck. I'm got a hankering for a beer. Whoa. Rough stuff. Rough. Suspension is gonna feel sick through that stuff for sure. Fuck. Man, this is awesome. This is a nice practice line. Look at that. Let's give that one a go. Pretty steep. I guess we're going from here. That's all I got. Right from in the hole, damn it. Okay, let's see. Wasn't pretty. Got on my ass, but we got it. Chalk it up in the wind column. Oh, PETA. This is great. Good shit. Oh, there's a log in that rut, causing havoc. Oh shit. Yeah, I really got to pay attention here. I'm gonna bite it over the dumbest thing. Trying to get my hands to loosen up. Let's take a quick breather. Oh. Sometimes you just gotta get a rest in, you know? Oh, that beer is tasting good already. Oh, I need it. I need those carbs in my forearms now, my fingers.